G says G is for grapes. H says H is for house. I says ish is for ice cream. J says J is for juice. K says K is for kite. L says L is for lion. M says M is for monkey. N says N is for nest. O says A is for orange. P says P is for pig. Q says Qua is for queen. R says R is for rabbit. S says S is for sun. T says T is for tree. U says is for umbrella. V says V is for violin. W says W is for watermelon. X says case is for x-ray. Y says ya is for yo-yo. Z says z is for zebra.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.